gun!
Multi-car crash, bald or really short hair, one of the two.
Oh, he's got a gun! He's got a gun! Run!
A police officer stopped to assist a stranded vehicle with Brandon Griffin, 23, who is wanted nationwide for weapon possession. When officers approached and requested cooperation, Griffin repeatedly resisted, claiming he would not be arrested. Even after being tased, he continued to struggle, reached into the car, pulled out a gun, and fired at the police.
It adds.
Moving forward.
It's not all cops are bad, right? I've been very. It's okay.
No, you've been nothing like.
And I had a herniated disc. I mean, I kind of just.
Let me go check it real quick, Brandon. All right. Hey, Brandon.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. I want to have you turn around for a minute. All right. Turn. No.
Hey, I'm
Brandon.
not going in cuffs.
Brandon, we're not doing this. Listen to me.
Hey,
Brandon.
I'm not.
We're done.
I'm not going in cuffs.
Hey, Brandon.
We're done.
Stop.
No!
Brandon.
No!
Stop.
Brandon.
What?
Stop.
Stop.
If you don't stop, I'm adding charges to you.
Charged with resistance.
You're gonna get extra charges.
Stop.
All right, Brandon, we're done. We're done.
Get your hand. Stop. Stop resisting.
Brandon. Christine, stay out of the car.
Do it.
Christine, stay out of the
What are you doing? What are you
Christine, stay out of the car.
Taking me. We had bear spray.
Christine, please step backwards.
Stop.
Please.
Please let
Stop.
me
It's
go,
just a stupid.
please.
Christine, please step back.
I'm begging
Yes.
you.
Stop.
Christine, listen to me. Please back up for me.
I'm begging you.
Back up for me.
Please, I'm begging you.
Stop.
Don't do
Christine.
this.
I can't.
We're gonna die.
No, you're not.
We
Christine,
are gonna die.
I need
They're
you back.
trying to kill us. They tried to kill us in there.
Ducoin X.
Please don't. Please.
Ducoin X83. Send additional.
Please don't.
You're gonna have to bear spray me.
Stop.
Christine, get out of that car. Christine, to deal with her. Christine, back up.
I was in the military. You're gonna have to shoot me. I'm not going.
Stop, dude.
Hey!
Get him.
Ow!
On the ground.
Taser.
Hey, go back.
Christine, get back.
Go cuff him. Go cuff.
Shoot me in the head.
Christine, get back.
Stop, dude.
Oh, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. Run. Ducoin X83. Shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect. Officer shot. A tense gunfight erupted on the highway. Griffin was shot and killed at the scene, and a police officer was injured but survived. Christine Santos, Griffin's wife, who was also in the car, was arrested on a warrant from New Mexico. Car. Wisconsin. On June 28, 2025, an officer with the Pleasant Prairie Police Department spotted a black sedan running a stop sign and turning without signaling. When the officer attempted a traffic stop, the driver sped away, triggering a high-speed chase exceeding 100 mph across multiple roads and putting other motorists at risk.
County Young 2774. Inside the plane. Negative on the sticks. The right minimum speeds are 70, approaching 70 seconds. Might be a green light at 70 seconds, approaching the red. I'm gonna see if I can change it to go south. are going to be 55. I'm going to have county coming in with me here.
North 85th.
10-4 approaching Bain Station. Speeds are 90. Lane 2. Speeds 105. Light traffic. Still coming up towards you. Alright, speeds are 87 and increasing, passing Meyer distribution.
Outside lane 3, outside lane.
29 speeds 105, approaching 95th, lane 2. Good stick, southbound from 95th, right tires. 209 southbound speeds are 70 and increasing, approaching 104th. No traffic. Road conditions good. I'm gonna try to slow it down and channel him from the front or head him off. 209 PD, we're still south. Both right tires are flat. 209 wrong lane on the road. I'm gonna try to head him off so he doesn't go because I'm coming traffic. 209, we're in Illinois. I'm gonna box him in again up here in front of him. Let's see if we can get a test.
We got it, 20 active pursuit or active pursuit stop.
209 intentional contact. 2 squads have been hit. We need to end this.
Hands! One voice! Hands up! Do not move back! Slow down! We're fine! Slow down! Turn the sirens off!
Keep your hands visible!
Yep. Walk towards that dog, otherwise we're letting it go.
Get out!
Do not run.
All right, you guys got it. Take command.
Step back towards us. Step back towards us. You got hands. Yep. Step back. Keep going. Anyone else in the car? No, keep coming back. Drop to your knees. You will get back.
We need you to put your hands up or you
Who else is in the car?
There's no one in the car. It's just me. There's no one in the car. 100%.
Let's get him back.
It's just me.
Weapons?
In the car, yes.
What's in the car?
Can still carry Glock.
You're under arrest.
Yes,
32 in the car.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get you guys in the car.
Here.
It's all tinted. It's not gonna go out.
I'm not, yeah, hold on. Can you stand there? All right, there we go.
The driver was identified as Marco Infocino, who later admitted to using cocaine and crack cocaine throughout the day. Inside the vehicle, officers recovered a Glock 19 handgun, drug paraphernalia, and 2 bags of white powder, both testing positive for cocaine. Marco now faces 6 felony charges and 3 misdemeanors, including fleeing and eluding police and recklessly endangering safety.
Multi-car crash. The white male's out on foot.
A tense police chase unfolded on the afternoon of February 21st, 2024, when Trooper M. Pepitone of the Florida Highway Patrol's Criminal Interdiction Unit, CIU, spotted a Wisconsin-registered Audi sedan fleeing along Interstate 10.
Show me this DMP coming right at us.
Yep, that's one.
Good six.
Way left to center, copied good stick, still eastbound Little Richmond. Chopper still does have it. Okay, Chopper does have it. You guys can back completely off if you want to and just make a loose follow. Hey, there's actually somebody in the bed of the pickup truck. White male with a gray shirt and black pants. Looks like either bald or really short hair, one of the two.
Completely bald, gray shirt, they just lost the tire. Hey, it looks like the male is messing with the ratchet strap trying to get on that stuff in the back out.
Yep, he's trying to dump boards. Use caution, guys. He's trying to dump boards on you.
Boards are fitting in the hammer.
More boards. Use caution. Use caution.
Careful, Brad. It's coming.
More boards. Watch out, guys.
He's on the wrong side.
Yep, wrong direction to travel. And he's up next to the wall here, into opposing traffic, guys. Gave up an opportunity to get off, and he's still running into opposing traffic here. Passing over top of Ed Moses.
Gully to Cruise, I'm going to try to get down to 49 and block off the northbound traffic for you.
Multi-car crash. The white male's out on foot. Just south of the 51. Start firing EMS. We're going to need at least 3 to 5 medics, probably. Got a black male with black jeans and it looks like a white male with multiple tattoos and blue jeans to the on-ramp.
The crew in the pickup truck trying to block traffic right there and push these people off the highway.
2450 Industrial Estates Drive is where the other individual's last seen. He's in the tree line there. Right, back behind you. He's somewhere in this tree line, back between you and where that tree line ends towards the on-ramp. So white car that just pulled in, stop right there. Off your right front is where we last saw him, into that tree line area. So just use caution, clear that as best you can. Okay, is there anybody in the trees right now?
Yeah, we have voice contact with someone in the trees. He's coming out. We're just trying to figure out where he's coming out.
Okay, I was just picking up a heat signature here. He's on the western end. Just use caution. He's out on the south, towards that awning. He's running southbound now. He's on the south side of that building. That awning that I called off with the 2 open sides is on the south side of that building. There's like a large
After several minutes, Trooper Pepitone successfully executed a pit maneuver, causing the Audi to roll multiple times before coming to a stop in a ditch. The suspect was immediately taken into custody and transported to Sacred Heart Hospital in Pensacola for treatment.
He's dropping something on the ground, completely stopped. Units are making contact.